Every single day, millions of people wake up, open their laptop, and grind for 8-10 hours just to survive. Meanwhile, a small group of early adopters have discovered something insane. AI employees. Not chatbots, not ChatGPT. I'm talking about fully autonomous AI agents that don't just answer questions. They run entire businesses by themselves. While you sleep, they're out there answering customers, creating ads, and even negotiating deals. And the craziest part? They cost less than your Netflix subscription. Think about it. What if instead of working for your money, you built a team of AI agents that work for you? No hiring, no salaries, no HR headaches, just digital workers that never eat, never sleep, and never ask for a raise. And right now, before the masses catch on, you can set one up in less than an hour. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine launching a small online store. Normally, you'd need to run ads, reply to angry customers, update product listings, and spend hours on support tickets. But with Agentic AI, your AI agent handles all of it. Customers complain, AI replies. Ads not performing, AI fixes them. Product listings outdated, AI updates them. And while all that's happening, you're binge-watching Netflix or sleeping. The next morning, you check your dashboard. $347 in overnight sales. That's not a dream. That's the new reality of AI-powered income. This isn't coming in the future, it's happening now. Amazon, Google, and startups are pouring billions into Agentic AI. The people who jump in early will be the ones others pay to learn from. The people who hesitate? They'll be the ones working for AI instead of profiting from it. So here's the deal. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first AI agent step by step. No coding required. But I want to know from you. If you had an AI employee today, what job would you give it first? Running your online store, handling freelance gigs, or even replacing your 9-to-5 tasks? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you're ready to build your own AI income machine, smash that like button and subscribe, because the gold rush has already started. The only question is, will you watch from the sidelines or will you grab your piece now?